Hey everyone, Jeff here from Whipbird Environmental, and today I'm just going to bring you along while I set up some raised beds here at my place to make better use of our space and grow more veggies here at home. It's starting to rain a bit, but hopefully that sort of goes away. So I'm just going to be setting them up in this area behind me here. So step one was to move everything out of the way, which is why you can see all that mess over there. I'll then tidy everything up properly afterwards, but I'm going to be rolling out some of this weed mat. Now I typically wouldn't use plastic weed matting, it just doesn't work in its normal applications being used in an actual garden bed. This circumstance is a little bit different. I'm only using it as a barrier between the pavement and the soil, so I'm going to use it, it's going to let water run through, and it's going to reduce the amount of staining that could happen on the pavement here, because we are in a rental situation. So I'm using these Birdie's Heritage Modular Garden Beds. So I've got 6 kits. So I got 4 of the 1.2 meter by 480 millimeter ones, and I got 2 of the 800 squares, and that's because I want to do 1.2 by 800 beds, and then I think I'll have enough left over to do like a mini bed. Starting to fill this first bed. What I am going to do is transfer all the soil from this bed into here, just because that way I can dismantle that and clean up the area underneath it so I can build the second bed. So I've just filled about a third of the bed with that, and like I said, that's going to sink. It's pretty fresh stuff. You can see there's a lot of green in here. That's fine. It'll break down into soil eventually. So now I'm going to shovel this soil over. I'll probably do a bit of a layer of this soil. There's a pebble in there. I'll do a bit of a layer of this soil, and then I'll put the worm bin in. That'll go in the center of this bed. And then I've got some cheaper compost to put in. It isn't that great, but it's really just, again, just to fill probably up to about the halfway point or a little bit higher. So most of the plants are going to be doing their growing in the first sort of 20 to 30 centimeters, especially in the first plants I put in here. I'm just going to try and do some leafy greens and things just to while this is getting set up, because this soil is going to drop significantly and I'm going to have to top it up again anyway. So I'm just going to try and do some quick crops while that sort of process is happening. So yeah, I've got some cheaper compost to fill up the bottom. The worm farm's going to really help cycle nutrients into this place. It's been doing wonders in my other smaller bed. It's going to be a lot better suited to the depth of this bed. So that's the end of part 1 of the courtyard redo. So I've got these 2 in. This is the biggest job. Now it's just a matter of really just cleaning up areas, deciding what plants I'm going to keep, and where I'm going to put different things. So I put like my blueberries and stuff around, but I don't know if this is exactly where I'll keep them. And yeah, I'm deciding on what to do with a few other areas of the garden still, but yeah, the main bit's done. Give them some time to settle before planting. Probably top them up with another bag or 2 of mix before I do that. Thanks all for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.